U.S. President Donald Trump has named attorney Ty Cobb as an in-house special counsel for the White House. U.S. media quotes a White House source as saying Cobb is expected to deal with the legal and media response to probes into allegations of Russian meddling in the U.S. election. It was revealed recently that officials from Trump's election campaign and a Russian lawyer had a meeting last summer to deliver negative information about Hillary Clinton. Trump's eldest son, Donald Jr., as well as Trump's son-in-law, Jared Kushner, attended that meeting. Federal Special Counsel Robert Mueller and several congressional panels are conducting investigations into the allegations.